Hey guys, X0 here. Welcome to another Moto Showcase episode. Today, I'm with my DRZ, the Mac, doing a quick install of some guards and protection from Acerbis. I got myself the XPower clutch and ignition covers, and also the skid plate. So why don't I just show you the unboxing and the install for this nice protection for your DRZ. Okay, let me start off with the clutch and ignition covers. Let's see some product information before I open it up. The cover itself, one for the ignition and one for the clutch. Just open this up. Let's see what we have. This one should be the ignition cover and clutch cover, and some instructions with all the screws where it's needed. Let's put this aside. Show you the skid plate, which also comes with instruction, which I'll just open up in a while and show you the install. Okay, to show you the instructions, of course you got one flat screw where you can put the washer inside. This one will go below, which according to the instructions, which will go below of the skid plate. Then there's this block of rubber. You have to place it over here, block off one of the holes, and there's another two more screws with a different type of washer. This one will be screwing in to where the original plastic cover was at the two sides here. Right, so let me just install it and show you. Alright guys, check it out. The Acerbis XPower guards and skid plate. Show you the skid plate first. You can see it's covering all the way from the water pump all the way to the linkage. It's a nice guard for the linkage if you're going off-road. Then of course there's the right hand side of the guards. Show you a bit, and of course the left hand side. Show you the left hand side of the guards as well, and the skid plate. So that was a quick install of the XPower ignition and clutch side of the guards and the skid plate itself. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm X0 from Zero Bros Moto Vlog. This is the Moto Showcase. See you guys in the next one.